In order to be a great soccer defender, it's really important you understand your position. In soccer, we don't defend players, we defend the goal. That's why it's really important to understand the different zones, where you are defending and where the ball is. Sometimes players and coaches think that your reference is the opponent, that you need to defend the opponent. You need to defend the goal. You need to avoid that the other team breaks the line into the middle channels. You need to avoid that the ball progress into the middle channel. So this is the first step. Defend the space. Then, if your opponent is dribbling into the middle and you are the player in charge to defend him because you are the closest one, it's really important to understand if the opponent is facing at you or not facing at you. If he's facing at you, that means that he has the advantage because he can see you and see the ball. Here, your goal is to make sure that the opponent is not going to beat you. Your goal is not to recover the ball. But if the opponent has a bad body profile, meaning that cannot see you, so he only has the reference of the ball, then it's time to you try to recover that ball. Yes, if he doesn't have or she doesn't have the reference of you, it's your time to go to recover that ball. So what we can say is that if the opponent is facing at you, your goal is make sure that he or she is not going to beat you. Try to delay a little bit, slow down, and don't try to go to recover the ball. But if the opponent is not facing at you, meaning is facing back, then your first goal is try to recover that ball.